Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Students, today I will teach you English unit number 5, page number 86 and 87. Students, now let us start. Vocabulary Urdu many zakhire alfaz. How does the writer create atmosphere? Here are some abstract nouns which describe the atmosphere which the writer creates in this story. The writer creates an atmosphere of anxiety, terror उर्दू में नहीं खौफ, पैनिक उर्दू में नहीं शदीद, डेंजर उर्दू में नहीं ख़तरा, फियर उर्दू में नहीं डर, गिल्ट उर्दू में नहीं जुर्म, थ्रेट उर्दू में नहीं धमकी, हॉरर उर्दू में नहीं दहशत या खौफ, कन्फ्यूजन उर्दू में नहीं तबाही. Next, suitable abstract noun should be used in the blank space is apprehension उर्दू में नहीं अंदेशा. Next, page number 87. Writing task. Alliteration is the correct name for using words which begin with the same letter or sound for deliberate effect. Spelling: get the es and is right. To repeat, verb. Repetition, noun. Repetitive, adjective. Next, note the spelling of alliteration. Only one T, despite the fact that this word's derivation is the same as of the word letter. Students, आज का lecture यहाँ complete हुआ. I hope you will be understood this lecture. Students, kindly write down this work on your notebooks. Okay, Allah Hafiz.